Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing and review of the PITAKA Fusion Weaving case, specifically the MagEZ Case 2 for iPhone 13 Pro. This is a review sample our friends over at PITAKA have sent us, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this as we usually do. Now, the packaging is pretty straightforward. You have a picture of the case itself, details about the case and the fact that it's made out of aramid fiber, not carbon fiber, aramid fiber. So this is a special material that is similar to bulletproof weaving that we've seen in bulletproof vests, not necessarily here on the Tech Travel Geek YouTube channel, but they're advertising it as bulletproof material. But I'm assuming that's in slightly thicker, more controlled products rather than iPhone cases. And the fact that this is MagSafe compatible, we'll test that out and prove it in a moment, and that it's wireless charging friendly. Now, the case that this comes in is similar to the one we saw in the other PITAKA case we unboxed and reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. But this one seems to have a very different look and feel. Inside the box, apart from that, we have a quick instruction booklet with other products from PITAKA for Apple products and others. There's also, in this case, looks like a little spacer sticker. Use the sticker to improve the oops, hello cat. So this is Ronan, my little kitten, who has decided to be part of this video briefly. I'll put you down, Ronan. Thanks for joining. So this is for adding extra spacing to the bottom in case you want to have that iPhone bump for the camera in place, but we probably won't be using this. So the case itself is nice and light. You have that little feel of the weave here on the case, and it feels really, really nice. So let's start by popping that into the case. So I'm going to go camera module first and then clip it in, and just with other PITAKA cases, it's a very, very tight fit. It's very, very close there, and that's a good thing because it doesn't add much volume to the smartphone experience. So you can see here, that's the case on the iPhone 13 Pro. This is my iPhone 13 Pro. There's a bit of camera protection with this bump lip. It's not as pronounced as other cases we've seen, but it should be enough to give you a couple of millimeters lift from the camera module there. And there's a cutout for the power button, the volume rocker, and the silence rocker on the device. So there's nothing else to really speak of in the case. I have to say, I do quite like the subtle colouring that's here. It seems to be printed on the case. It feels really nice to run your finger over it. You can feel that difference in texture between the coloured bits and the aramid fibre weaving in the rest of the case. So good looking case. It doesn't offer much in terms of protection for the screen. There's very little, if any, lift if you were to put your case face down on a surface. So if you are using this case, I'd recommend making sure that you have a screen protector just in case, but that's just me. And as you can see at the top and at the bottom, there's very little in terms of cutout. It's actually leaving most of the space free. So not much protection there, but if you're looking for a slim case, this is probably the one for you. Now, I've made a point of leaving my iPhone to be not very charged at the moment. We're going to use our Journey MagSafe charger and prove that that works. And as you can see, it just clips on happily on the MagEZ case from PITAKA, and that's, as you can see here, charging. So good to see that working and not an issue. Overall, I'm quite happy with this. This is a nice slimline case that doesn't add much in terms of volume to your iPhone experience, and it's a bit of a cool design with an aramid fiber weave, the coloured stripe, and very, very subtly embossed PITAKA logo. And as you can see with my Journey wireless charger clip, it charges straight away. So good to see this working. So I have to say, overall, good products. It is slightly on the pricier side. We'll link in the description to where you can order this case for the iPhone 13 Pro and other models on the description to this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. And if you have any questions about these PITAKA cases or other cases and accessories that we use with iPhones and other devices, feel free to leave them in the comment section. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if we can't respond to the message itself, who knows, it might actually feature in a future Tech Travel Geeks YouTube video. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.